In this video, I'll be reviewing American Fund's 401k. Now, a lot of companies use their funds in their 401k plans, so it's worth asking, is this a good deal for retirement? Let's break down the pros, the risks, and who it actually works for. Now, what is American Funds and the Capital Group? American Fund is one of the big, well-known active fund families run by Capital Group. Many 401k plans offer their mutual funds, things like target date funds, balanced funds, growth funds, because they're actively managed. These funds try to pick strong stocks and bonds, not just passively track an index. Now, what is the performance and the fund options? According to Kiplinger, right here, Kiplinger, there's an article by Kiplinger on the best American funds for 400k retirement savers. Okay, what this article says is that this balanced fund mixes stock and bonds. In a 401k, it can act like a one fund solution for a long term plan. Historically, it's had solid long term returns through active management means. It may lag indexes in some years though. Now, one of the biggest concerns for American 400k funds is fees. So, according to a fee disclosure breakdown, some share, like the R class funds, are pretty expensive. On some 401k plans, the total cost, which is administration plus fund management, is significantly higher when using American funds. And on Reddit, some users mention expense ratios around 1.3% to 1.5%, which is very high for a retirement fund. Over time, these fees can eat into your retirement gains, especially when cheaper index fund exists. Now, what are the customer feedbacks and critiques? If you go over to the top reforms, you can see that um, Capital Group American Funds does have only a 2-star rating out of 5, and it does have a couple of one rated reviews. There are some good ones now and then, but overall, it comes to a 2 out of 5. So, what do these ratings indicate, and what do they say? So, some users say that the returns just don't justify the costs. And on Reddit, some said their 401k is stuck in American funds with very high fees. And another says they pay their advisors high commissions and funds are expensive. And some say increased funds frustration when there are no cheaper low cost index options. So, what are the pros of choosing 401k retire for American funds? There's active management, so it can outperform in certain markets, especially through ups and downs. There's a broad variety. They offer a lot of fund types: growth, balanced, international, target, date, etc. Then their reputation. Capital Group is very experienced with decades of investing history. And for some 401k participants, American funds, target date funds, or balanced funds are a safe all in one pick when there are no cheaper alternatives. What are the risks when it might not be the best option? Is what I'm saying. Well, clearly it's high fees could drag on long-term returns, especially compared to index funds. Plans that only offer expensive share classes make the cost problem worse. If your employer's 401k doesn't give you cheaper low-cost index funds, you're more exposed to fee risk. Some investors are critical of the cost structure, saying it benefits advisors more than the average 401k holder. Now, what is my verdict? Is it worth it? If you're stuck in a 401k that offers American funds and you don't have many low cost alternatives, it's not a bad option, especially if your company matches the compounding plus match might outweigh the fees. But try to understand which share classes you are in. The R class, which is the expensive class, or maybe the cheaper ones. Ask HR if there are index or lower cost funds available. If possible, diversify. Don't pull all your 401k money into American funds. Use other retirement accounts with cheaper options as well. So, that'll be for my review. I hope this video helped you guys out, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.